Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows version and bitness so you pick the right installer. Next, run the official Python installer and check Add to Path. This lets you run Python from PowerShell immediately. If you want control, choose Customize Install to include pip and documentation. Once done, open PowerShell and run Python version to verify. If you see a number, you're ready to proceed. This gets the runtime in place and avoids path headaches later. Now you build an isolated environment so projects don't conflict. Create a virtualenv with Python mvenv. Venv, then activate it, use activate, ps1 in PowerShell or activate, bat in command prompt. Once active, upgrade pip and install packages with pip install package name. Make sure to pip freeze requirements. txd to capture versions. For editors, use VS Code and set the workspace interpreter to venv. This keeps to finish, run your code with Python script. Py or Python M module. Use the VS Code debugger for breakpoints and inspect variables, or add structured logging for longer runs. Pack and share with pip wheel or requirements. txd. If something breaks, check one key issue first. Path and virtualenv activation. Many errors come from the wrong interpreter. Make sure Python version and which Python point to your venv when activated. If not, deactivate, reactivate, and clear pip cache before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.